Everybody tells you na ilagay mo na lang sa MP2. But the moment you ask, hindi ba nakalock yun for 5 years? They just say, that's okay. Okay lang yan. Forced savings yan. Here's the problem with that. They don't understand your fear. So that means they can't actually give you real advice. Simple lang naman yung fear mo eh. What if suddenly you need that money and nakalock na for 5 years? Technically, there are 2 legal ways to get it out early. Merong penalty-free, merong with penalties. But that's not what I'm gonna teach you today. We'll save that for another video. It's called the MP2 ladder. So here's my promise to you guys. And by the end, you will know how to touch your MP2 money every single year instead of waiting for 5 years. Because that 5-year lock is the one thing that stops most Pinoys from ever even starting. So quick review lang, what is MP2? It has a bunch of advantages, but in one sentence, it's a tax-free savings program that historically pays 5 to 8% in annual dividends, and you can start with as little as 500 pesos. The catch, yung 5-year maturity. It works a lot like time deposit. And look guys, I want you to know that your fear here is valid. Emergencies don't wait 5 years. If you get into an accident tomorrow and suddenly you need some cash, baka mapilitan ka lang kumuha ng loan. And that's exactly why most people stop right here. They would rather stay in a traditional bank account with 0.25% interest rate. Let me be honest with you, I'm not going to show you or give you a magic wand to pull out your MP2 tomorrow. Today, it's all gonna be about planning and building a structure before you even open your MP2 account. Let's quickly address the elephant in the room. Yes, premature withdrawal is absolutely possible, but there are consequences for that. Here are some of the reasons Pag-ibig might actually consider your early termination. Total disability or insanity of the member, separation from service due to health reasons, critical illness of the member or an immediate family member. And this one is very specific: cancer, organ failure, heart-related illness, stroke, or neuromuscular illness. Certified, of course, by a licensed physician. Next is death of the member or any immediate family member. Those are just examples, but you already see the pattern. These are all emergencies. So in other words, hindi naman walang puso yung Pag-ibig. They will consider you for early termination, and in some of these cases, there are no penalties at all. But here's the bottom line. Now that you understand MP2, you need a plan to actually take advantage of it. Because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And speaking of plans, there are 2 stages here. You keep hearing this from finance YouTubers for a reason. It's real and it's not hype. Build your emergency fund first. At least 3 months of expenses. The ideal is 6 months, and 12 months is the gold standard. After that, you can park your emergency fund in a digital bank to get a juicy yield. Examples are CIMB, Maya, or Tonic. And if you like a challenge, Maya can go up to 15% if you complete their challenges. Not sponsored. There are 2 reasons digital banks work so well for this: liquidity and higher yields. I mean, honestly guys, just doing stage 1, it should take away a lot of your fear and anxiety about investing and saving in the first place. Here's the exciting part: the MP2 ladder. Laddering just means creating multiple accounts so they mature on different years. So, instead of dropping one big lump sum into one account, you split that capital into smaller pieces. You create 5 MP2 accounts over 5 years, and then you fund each one. So anong effect niyan? Your year 1 account matures on year 6. Your year 2 account matures on year 7, and so on. So after the 5-year mark, a tranche frees up every single year. And hindi po to theory. I just finished my own 5-year MP2 cycle. I put in 25,500 pesos over 5 years. Pag-ibig paid me 8,884 pesos in dividends. And that's a return of around 34%. So the result of laddering is this. You get all the MP2 perks, the 4 to 8% yield, tax-free, low deposits, etc. But after 5 years, your accounts start maturing every single year. Let's compare 2 scenarios side by side. For both scenarios, let's use the same assumptions. 500,000 pesos na starting capital, 7.12% dividend rate every single year, just to keep it simple. Tapos, annual compounding. Let's take a look at scenario 1, the single account. You put in 500,000 pesos in one lump sum. After 5 years, your total dividends come out as 205,217 pesos. That's a 59% total return for scenario 1. Ito naman, scenario 2, the ladder. You create 5 separate accounts. Account 1 gets 100,000 pesos, account 2 gets 100,000 pesos, and so on. Account number 1 earns 41,043 pesos in dividends. Account number 2 earns exactly the same, and so on down the line. So ito na, when your 5th account finally matures, ano yung sum total of all your dividends? Are you ready for this? It's 205,217 pesos. It's exactly the same. This is the most important lesson for today. Same total, but one version has your money frozen for 5 years, and the other one, it frees it up yearly. Walang compromise. And you can take it further. You can get creative with this idea. After you liquidate your account number 1, kung hindi mo pa talaga kailangan yung pera, then just create account number 6. The best part about this, you are in control, hindi si pag-ibig. By the way guys, all of these numbers come from my free MP2 calculator. You can download it right now, marami na nag-download. The link is in the description box below. And if you are an OFW, MP2 still works for you. Walang problema. Nandito ako sa Australia, I still use MP2. However, there's a small mistake I personally made along the way. I couldn't withdraw my capital and dividends the way I expected. If you're interested about that, I have another channel where I talk exactly what happened with minimal edits. I'll put the link if you want to check it out. So today, here's your assignment. First, start building your emergency fund kung wala pa. Second, open at least one MP2 account. Isa lang. Because if you're still deciding whether to do the full ladder system, that's totally fine. Just don't let analysis paralysis hurt your future finances. And finally, no more excuses. If you've been thinking about MP2 for a long time now, this is your side. You don't have to choose between safe and growing. I want you to succeed, so help yourself succeed. That's it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!